Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0x0, 0x0 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar, open disk cleanup, click on OK, check all of these boxes here, click on OK and then select delete files. The next solution is to update Windows. Okay, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.